November might just be my favorite month of outfits. I feel like I started off so good and ended the month with what might just be my favorite outfit of the month. But this first one I really loved. First of all, I like the brown tones going on with the bag, the cream Zara top that I thrifted from Vinted, such a good find, and just like the rich tones in the bag and these 9 West loafers. And then I feel like pairing it with jeans just added that perfect casual touch, and then the sunglasses just amped it up a bit more as well. But I love a dramatic but casual outfit at the same time. Also, if you ever go to Pho, get the lemonade. I normally get the normal lemonade, but this time I got the dragon fruit and lemonade. So good, so good. This next outfit, again, I love the combination of the contrast denim. I like pairing my denim vest with this puffer jacket as well. I feel like it just gives like a utilitarian kind of feel. It just gives, I don't know, but it's very cool. And then obviously toned it down with the black earrings, the black boots, and this was my church outfit, which I really like it's modest but it's cool girl as well. Also went to Droughts again in Stratford, highly recommend. Then I stayed home and had a little cooking day. This is probably one of the easiest dishes I've cooked. Literally just chopped up some onions, chopped up some chicken, seasoned it, and then had it with Kung Pao, and it was really good. I have been wanting a pony hair belt for the longest time, and I found this one recently on Vinted and I absolutely love it. I feel like it just adds something to an outfit more than like a normal black belt would add, so I really am happy that I picked this up. This was a very casual outfit, but I feel like the details just really bring it together. The mismatched earrings, the fur boots, the pony hair belt, the ribbed textured top as well. Like there's a lot of texture going on in this outfit, and the leather jacket, even the quilted bag. So I really love this outfit. One thing about me is I love a tie, and I love any excuse to wear a tie, and patterns and clashing patterns. Like, come on. This outfit I think is too good. I love how the tie like just really ties in with the leopard print of the bag and shoes, and this was a combination I said I wanted to wear. I think in my last video I said I wanted to wear this bag and this shoe combination, and I really love how it looks. Again, I feel like wearing these kind of like loud patterns with jeans just makes it that little bit more casual, which makes it like more like easy on the eyes. But I love this outfit and all the patterns and colors going on as well. Even the strawberry earrings, too good. I went to church in that outfit, and then I went to lunch or brunch with my friends after at the bank in Enfield. Ended up getting chicken and waffles, which is pretty good, especially with like the little egg on top as well. I normally work from home and normally don't dress up, which is why those outfits are never included. But on this day I had a styling course, of course I had to look the part, and like I said, if I'm working I like a good tie look, and I love this monochromatic look with this blue tie. I feel like it worked perfectly. I've really been challenging myself to wear sunglasses in November, and this was another look incorporating the sunglasses. And again, I love all the browns in this outfit. This was my outfit to go and get my hair done, hence me wearing a hat. I normally don't wear hats, but I do love how they look like with a sleek long hairstyle, so I did like that little addition, and a little bun in the back as well. I feel like hair days I use as any opportunity to wear like pieces that I wouldn't normally wear, or pieces that I don't get as much wear out of, like these clogs. I absolutely love them, so any excuse to wear them I will. I was actually only getting the front of my hair changed, and I had this really cool concept of having it in those sections that you saw them in the beginning and just going into like bigger braids, and it was executed perfectly. Like I love when I have a vision of a hairstyle and it's actually brought to life, because sometimes I feel like my ideas are a little bit wild, but I really like the results of this. Like it's different but it's very cool, and yeah, I really liked this hairstyle and the outcome. This was just the final result. 2 words: brown and blue. I love a brown and blue combination. I think it works together so good. I also love the pattern clash in this outfit with the jeans and then the cow print boots, because the jeans are almost like an abstract cow print and then the boots are like a cow print as well. And also brown and butter yellow, like the top with these trousers, I think it just looked too good. Like I really loved the combination and the colors in this outfit, like the baby blue against the baby yellow, or the gold jewelry. I love when I do a statement earring in every single one of my piercings. I feel like it just looks so good and kind of gives like boho vibes as well. And then a good ring stack as well always makes me really happy. But this outfit is definitely one of my favorites. Love the colors, love the pattern mixing, and yeah. Went to High Jingo in London. If you want like a fun little activity to do, then I would highly recommend. Like it's fun, it's lively, you're probably unlikely to win. Like I came close to winning so many times, and I feel like coming close to winning is almost worse than just flat out losing, because it almost gives you that hope that you're about to win. But like I said, it's definitely a fun experience, and it's definitely like a nice group activity to do, something that's easy as well. And they have food, which is a bonus.
The High Jingo, and more than one player has a valid claim. However, in High Jingo, there can only be one winner.
Dance battle!
High Jingo bots, please present player 2.
It's probably clear by now, but me and a cropped puffer jacket go together real good during this cold weather. I just feel like a puffer jacket and a cropped one especially is just like the perfect casual addition to an outfit. And I especially love this baby blue one. Obviously I wear my black one a lot too, but I've tried to limit myself in terms of getting any more, because I do wear them a lot and I do like them, but I feel like 2 puffer jackets is more than enough. Also a green and blue color combination. If you haven't watched my color combination video, then you should, but this is an unbeaten color combination. Like I feel like they just look really good together, especially a darker shade of green with a lighter shade of blue. I always love, and this, yeah, I feel like it did it justice once again. And again with the earrings, I feel like my earring combinations have just been so good, and they're almost like more effortless these days. Like I just put on whichever earrings come to mind and it just really works with the outfits. These are new additions to my wardrobe, and I really love the tone of green in these GH Bass loafers. So good. I'm into wearing like high-low pieces, like more dressy pieces with more casual pieces. So this like more dressy blazer situation with a pair of jeans, really fancy earrings, and then loafers and a casual bag, and then the most dramatic scarf I own. I really like this outfit. Again, it's one of those outfits that I just threw on together and it just happened to really work, and I really liked it as well. Normally I wear heels to church, but sometimes you gotta wear some flats. But I like how the green tones in the loafers work with the top I had on, with the blazer I had on. I really like this outfit overall.
So remain rooted in God. If you're not rooted in Him, you cannot. It is impossible for you to be fruitful.
I might just be in my cooking era. I wanted to include another dish I made during the month, and it was again another simple one, just like a pork stir fry, and it's just something that's really easy to make, but it was so good. Like it tasted really good, and I feel like it looked good too. This is probably a less realistic day-to-day outfit, but I wanted to challenge myself to see if I could walk in these heels, and they are very high. I actually walked about 20 minutes in them, so that was a bit of an achievement. But literally I went to go see my mum and I think run some errands as well, so I wanted to just try and get wear out of these heels without actually having to be out, just in case I couldn't handle wearing them. But yeah, a very casual outfit, and my trusty puffer jacket as always. It just works in an outfit, and I love a mismatched earring, as you probably already know, and I feel like these ones just added to the outfit in a nice way. But yeah, these heels are so high. I love the silhouette of this outfit. There's something about the way these bootcut jeans drape over these almost Oxford like shoes that I really like, and I love how the puffer jacket just adds like a top heavy element. I use this opportunity to wear this shirt that I thrifted back when I was in America. I love the colors running through it, and I love how it matches with like this Denova check in the Burberry bag. I feel like they nicely go together. And then my sushi earrings, I feel like they're so fun. I was actually going to go get sushi, so I wore them for the occasion. But yeah, I love the shape of these shoes. I feel like they are so good. The food at this restaurant, so good. I don't know what seasoning they put in their rice, but I feel like this might be the best like sashimi and sushi I've ever had. Like, it was that good. So I would more than highly recommend, if you like sushi, to try it out. Once again, a brown and blue color combination, and black as well. These are colors that people normally say you can't mix together, but I feel like black and brown works, blue and black works, brown and blue works. I really love an electric blue, especially during the cold weather. I feel like it's a tendency to wear more dull colors when it's colder outside, but I especially like to wear brighter colors just to lift the mood of the outfit and to lift the general mood as well. This is one of my favorite pieces because I love how it clasps. I feel like that is such a cool detail, and I just really like this jumper in general, this cardigan jumper situation. I feel like it's so cute, and it just really works really well within this outfit. It can be dressed up and dressed down, which I like. The brand is called Lisa, so if you want to try and search it up. I did find it on Vinted, but yeah, I especially like the color and just the closure detail. These shoes are definitely a go-to in my wardrobe as well. I love the metal toe detail. I think that just makes it. Looking back, I am still shocked that I came up with this outfit on the spot. I absolutely love everything about it, and I feel like because I've got like a catalogue of outfits that I've worn before, sometimes I'm able to just bring them together. Like the denim trousers with the leather skirt detail I've done before, but wearing it with this cropped denim top I love, and then buttoning the denim jacket to the denim trousers, so good. I really love that detail, and I love that the denims are in such close color and shades that it just really looks like one cohesive piece, and then all the levers are like in the same kind of shiny detail. Also, I love this bag and the way it opens and closes like a dumpling. But yeah, this outfit is definitely one of my favorites because I just feel like it just shows a level of creativity that is beyond me. I actually wore it to church, and then I went to Boom Battle Bar for a birthday celebration. Again, a fun activity to do as a group, and I would recommend. As you can see, I was well and truly in my sunglasses era, in my layering era, and I'm glad I was able to bring this particular coat back out. This is probably one of my most worn jackets I wear year and year again, because it just is a simple coat, but it just adds so much detail to an outfit that I really like. But I love the layering in this outfit, and I'm realizing that I wear a lot of cream tones and blues and greens in particular during the cold weather, or maybe in general as well. There's just clearly colors that I gravitate towards, and once again paired it with my green loafers. These are new in, but they are getting worn so much, and if I didn't say, this was my work outfit for the office if I didn't say. So I got a ride there. I had quite a bit to do on this day. Like, I had orders to pack, just general things to go through, so I kind of wanted to take you guys through what my work day looks like, because I guess I normally just show my outfit and I don't really show what I do in the office. So this was just a bit of that, collecting packages, then opening them up, packaging them for clients, making sure they're all neat and everything's included, shipping that off, and then general admin, and then time to go home. Pixi also kindly gifted me some more things, so when I got home I had 2 packages to open. I will obviously leave them linked down below if you are interested, but I had this perfume which is more of like a sweet floral scent. I personally don't really dabble in perfume, especially like strong scents, so it wasn't for me, but I feel like if you like a floral scent then definitely try it. Also got sent some lip glosses, and you know I love a good pinky lip gloss. This one was more of a red color and ended up giving that to my mum, but they are good. I love how an interesting shoe elevates a very simple outfit. Like the bronzy loafers just made this outfit that much cooler, and then also the shape of this jacket I really like. It's from Pretty Little Thing, and I just like that peplum detail. But once again, the brown tones continue to flow with me, and I feel like the brown, blue and black combination is one that's very common that I'm realizing as I watch this back. It's just, I feel like it just works, so it makes sense. But I really like this outfit, most especially how casual it is, just with the less so casual loafers. This is a closer look at them, and I love just the detail in these loafers. I feel like they're so pretty. Color's a little bit hard to match, but I'm glad I can wear it just with this very casual jeans and a top outfit as well, and it really works. I don't remember the last time I've actually worn trainers out properly, but I thought why not, especially because my Margiela trainers really go nicely with the grey tones in this outfit. These are my only pair of grey jeans, and I decided to go for like a more monochromatic look. And then I guess the jacket kind of acts like a pop of color, but then there's cream in the trainers as well. But I'm really loving how I wear a casual outfit, but there's always some element of elevation or interest. Like this outfit is very casual, it's very simple, but you have the split toe in the Margiela trainers, you have the waistband detail in the jeans, you have the pleated effect in the leather jacket. Like it's just such a cool but casual outfit, but just so much detail. Even the graffiti print on the trainers I feel like just adds to that overall elevated look. And last but certainly not least, the outfit that brought November to a close. This is most definitely my favorite outfit of the month, just because it's simple, but there's so many details that I love. First of all, the texture in the dress, and then the belt detail, like genius. I don't even know how I combined the belt together to make this exaggerated belt detail, and then the blue jacket just elevated it so much, and the way the blue bounces off the brown bag I thought was pure perfection. The detail of the toe printed shoes as well, the sheer tights, like this outfit I think came together beautifully, like so beautifully, and that's why it's my favorite outfit. It also kind of reminds me of Fran Fine from The Nanny. I'm not sure why, but it definitely gives Fran Fine in the best way, and I love that. I was actually originally supposed to wear it with these leopard print heels, but I kind of feel like the black shoes adds a lot more to it, and it just elevates it a lot more. I definitely will be restyling with the brown heels, but those were all the outfits. I hope you enjoyed this November rendition. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Goodbye and God bless you.